How to get best Wayfair coupon codes at the very first order. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use or get a working coupon code at your first order on Wayfair. Of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do once you've successfully created an account with Wayfair is create a new tab in your browser and type in couponchief.com. Now, once you're here, go into search stores and of course type in Wayfair, like so. Choose on the very first one. And then as you can see, all these specific offers right here is going to be the very first order that you will be doing. So say you would like to have the sale of spruce up your home with Wayfair deals, or one thing just to get the top deals. Click this option here that says get deal, and you'll automatically be provided with a coupon code. And then at the very first order that you would like to have on Wayfair, paste the unique code and you have a discount. And that's it. That's how you get best Wayfair promo code or discount code at your very first order.